You think you need thousands of dollars to start investing? That you need to earn at least 5 grand a month to save anything? James here, and I've got some good news for you. To become a millionaire, you don't need to win the lottery or get an inheritance. You just need to know the math. Sounds like another guru selling a course, right? Now I'm just going to show you the numbers. No fluff, no courses, no secret tricks. You'll see for yourself. I'm James, and in this video, we'll break down a step-by-step plan, how to start investing with any amount, even $50 a month. In the next 10 minutes, you'll learn 3 simple things. First, why the phrase, "I don't have enough money," is just an excuse, and what's really behind that fear. Second, the pure math, how much you can actually earn if you save $100, $200, or $500 a month. And third, a concrete checklist of 3 steps that will take you less than an hour. The most common argument I hear, "James, how can I invest? I make 3 grand a month and it all goes to rent and food." And I get it. Inflation, rising prices, money feels tight. But let's be real. The problem isn't that you don't have money. The problem is you don't see where it's leaking. Studies show the average American spends about 15 to 20% of their income on things they could easily live without. A $5 coffee every workday, that's $100 a month. Eating out instead of bringing lunch, another $200, $300. 3 streaming subscriptions you barely watch, another $30, $40. I'm not telling you to live like a monk, but let's be honest, almost everyone has some small money leaks, and those leaks are keeping you poor. Let's say you find just $200 a month. That's only about $7 a day, skipping 1 takeout lunch and a couple of coffees. In a year, that's $2,400. Nice, but not life-changing. But we're not just going to stuff it under a mattress, right? If you invest that $200 a month into the market, which historically returns about 10% a year before taxes, something magical happens. Compound interest, the most powerful force in the universe, as Einstein reportedly said. Your money starts working and making money, and that money makes more money. Let's do the math. $200 a month at 10%. That's $2,400 a year. After 10 years, you won't have $24,000. You'll have $41,000. After 20 years, $152,000. You put in $48,000, and you've more than tripled your money. And after 30 years, nearly $500,000, $452,000 to be exact. You put in $72,000 and earned $380,000 just because time was on your side. And here's the kicker. If you find $500 a month instead of $200, after 30 years, you're looking at over $1 million. Over $1 million. That's retirement money. Wait, James, that's all great on paper, but where do I actually put my money? Tesla stocks? Bitcoin? No. If you're a beginner, your job isn't to get rich overnight. Your job is to preserve your money and let it grow steadily. Remember this word, index funds or ETFs. It's a basket of hundreds of companies. For example, VOO tracks the 500 largest US companies. If one company goes bankrupt, you barely feel it because you own 499 others. Diversification is your best friend. Open a brokerage account, Robinhood, Webull, Fidelity, and every month just buy VOO or SPY with the money you've saved. Mistake number 1, trying to jump in and out, selling when the market drops 10%, buying when it's up 20%. Just keep buying every month, good times and bad times. It's called dollar cost averaging, and it takes emotion out of the game. Mistake number 2, chasing hype, meme stocks, crypto scams, promises to double your money in a week. If it sounds too good to be true, you're the one who's going to lose. Enough theory. Let's get practical. Here are 3 steps that will take you less than an hour. Step 1. Open your bank app or something like Mint and see where your money went last month. Find that $100, $200, $300 that leaked into nowhere. Step 2. Set up an auto transfer. As soon as your paycheck hits, 10% or a fixed amount, even $50, moves to your brokerage account automatically. You won't even miss it. Step 3. Buy an index fund. VOO, IVV, SPY, and just hold. Don't panic sell, don't try to time the market, just hold for 20, 30 years. Every coffee you skip isn't just $5 saved, it's $50 in 30 years. Every subscription you cancel is thousands in your future. The hardest part is starting. First month, second month. After a year, you won't even notice that money missing from your wallet, but your future self will thank you. Let's recap. First, you do have money, it's just leaking. Second,
$200 a month at 10% is $500,000 in 30 years. And third, you don't need to be a genius. You just need to buy an index fund every month and not sell for 20 years. Wealth isn't about how much you make. It's about how much you keep working for you, and you can start today, even with $50. If you want me to cover other topics, 401k, real estate, taxes, drop it in the comments. I'm James, and remember, your money should work for you even while you sleep. Subscribe so you don't miss the next one.